In this video, we will see the advantages of raising material requisition or purchase requisition in simpliRP. PR will help in establishing a material requesting process. Any department or production or based on machine ID, PR can be raised. It can be raised for any particular customer order. If the requester already knows terms, they can be entered. This will useful in case of any specific purpose product like a drawing-based item raised by NPD department. You can enter supplier quote or budget reference for future reference. While entering items for PR, user can mention who is the preferred supplier. This is to maintain the quality. For example, a timing belt has to be a particular brand. The price can be entered if needed. This will help in finding out total amount of material requested. After saving, you can also delete an item, if incorrectly entered. Till the time you confirm and print, more items can be entered in single PR printed. PR can be saved as PDF also. You can view all the PR generated as a report. By filtering based on item or department-wise or date-wise. simpliRP is the efficient way to manage your purchase department. Thank you.